Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn how to make basic crochet stitches with their abbreviation and symbol. We'll also learn reading basic crochet patterns. There is also a quiz for you in the end. I have grabbed my 100% cotton yarn from Lion's brand. I've linked it in the description if you want to check out. Let's grab our hook and without further delay get started. First we'll be making a chain stitch denoted by CH. I'm starting with a slip knot. Once I've made the slip knot, I'm inserting my hook into the slip knot. Let's pull the slip knot tighter. Don't pull it too tight, which would make it difficult for you to work into the loop. Let's just keep it a little bit looser. Now, to make a chain, we are gonna yarn over the hook just like this and pull through the loop. We'll do that once more. Yarn over and pull through the loop. Yarn over and pull through the loop. This is how my chain stitches look in the end after I have made a few. Now we'll start with a single crochet denoted by SC. To make a single crochet, I'll skip one chain and work on the next chain from the hook. So I'm just gonna insert my hook into the second chain from the hook. Grab the yarn. I'll have two loops. I'll yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is one single crochet. Now let's make a half double crochet stitch. HTC is the notation for that. To make a half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, grab your yarn and pull through. You'll have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. This is your half double crochet. Now let's move on and make the next stitch, which is double crochet denoted by DC. To make a double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, grab your yarn. You'll be having 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now you'll be having 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is your double crochet. Let's move ahead with the next stitch, which is a treble crochet. To make a treble crochet, you'll yarn over twice around the hook and insert the hook into the next stitch. Grab your yarn. You'll have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops again, and you'll be having 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is your treble crochet. Now we'll go ahead and make a double treble crochet denoted by DTR. You'll yarn over 3 times around the hook. Insert the hook into the next chain. Grab your yarn. You'll be having 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops again. Now you'll have 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops only. And finally you'll have 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is your double treble crochet. All of our stitches keeps increasing in size, forming a V. For the next stitches, I have already made few single crochet stitches. Next one we are going to learn will be single crochet 2 together, SC2TOG. To make a single crochet 2 together, I'll insert my hook into the first stitch and grab the yarn. Without completing the stitch, I'll insert my hook into the second stitch and grab the yarn. I'll now have 3 loops on the hook. I'll yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. This is making 2 single crochet into 1 single crochet 2 together. Next, we'll be learning double crochet 2 together, DC 2 together. To make double crochet 2 together, similarly you will yarn over and insert the hook into the first chain space. Grab your yarn. You will have 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through first 2 loops. You will not complete the stitch now. You are gonna again yarn over and insert the hook into the next stitch. Grab your yarn. You will be having 4 loops. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. You will be having 3 loops now. You will yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Now you have made 2 double crochets together. Let's learn our next stitch, which is invisible decrease. You will be using this in your amigurumis mostly. To make an invisible decrease, I am going to insert my hook into the first part of the chain. That is, you have a V, right? In the top part of the V, that is the front loop, you will be inserting into your hook and working on them. Let me insert it into the first front loop and then into the next stitch's front loop as well. Now I'll have 3 loops on the hook. I'll grab my yarn and pull through both the loops. I'll have 2 loops on the hook. I'll yarn over and pull through 2 loops. This is how you make invisible decrease. Next, let us learn our increase in single crochet. To make an increase, we'll be working 2 single crochet in the same stitch. For that, in the next stitch, I'm gonna insert my hook, grab my yarn, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. You have made 1 single crochet. In the same stitch, we are going to make 1 more single crochet. Insert your hook, grab your yarn and pull through 2 loops. In the same chain, we have made 2 single crochet, which is an increase. Next up, we'll be learning front loop only stitches, which is denoted by FLO. To do that, if you look at your work, you will see your chain having a V, and we will only work on the loop that is facing towards us. That is this loop. This is the front loop of the chain. So we'll just insert it into the one loop that is facing towards us. We are not inserting into the entire chain, just the top part of the loop. Grab your yarn, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. That is front loop only single crochet. Next up, we'll be making back loop only single crochet. For that, similarly, we'll work on the loop that is facing away from us. That is this loop right here. I'll just insert my hook into the back loop, just like this. I'll grab my yarn over and pull through both the loops. That is back loop only single crochet. Next, we'll be learning how to make a magic ring. To make a magic ring, you'll grab your yarn with your fingers. You'll wrap it around your couple of fingers and make an X and turn it around. You'll have parallel line. Insert your hook and twist the yarn. Grab your working end of the yarn and pull through the loop. This is your magic circle. You can keep working into this magic circle. I'm making a single crochet into the magic circle. You can tighten your magic circle and work around. Now we'll be making a slip stitch denoted by SLST. I have already made 6 chains here. We are going to slip stitch into the last chain. We'll be working only on the back loop. Let's insert our hook into the back loop of the last chain. Grab your yarn and pull through both the loops. You're pulling through this loop and also in through the other loop that we have. We have made a slip stitch. Now let us see how to make this pattern. This pattern says R1 CH7, meaning in the row 1 you will make 7 chains, and on row 2 on the second chain from the hook you will be making this pattern. 2 single crochet and an increase. We will repeat it 2 times. Whatever is after the star we will repeat it that many number of times, and we will have 8 stitches in total. To get started, we'll be making our chains. Here in this case it is 7 chains. Once we have made 7 chains, we have completed row 1. On the second chain from the hook, we'll be making 1 single crochet, and on the next chain we'll be making another single crochet since the pattern says 2 single crochet. And on the next chain we'll be making an increase, meaning we'll be making 2 single crochet in the same chain. 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet. The same thing we'll be repeating one more time since the pattern says repeat it twice. So here again we are going to be making a single crochet in the next stitch, a single crochet in the next stitch as well, and finally we'll be making an increase. Inserting into the last chain space, we'll work 2 single crochets, 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet. That's it. We are done with our pattern 1, and the work is curling towards us since we have made increases. Next, for pattern 2, it says R1 CH19, meaning we will chain 19, and for R2 row 2 from the second chain on the hook we'll make this pattern of 2 single crochet, decrease, 2 single crochet, and repeat that 3 times. We'll have 15 stitches in total. I am making chain 19. Yeah, this is total of 19 chains. And now I'm gonna skip 1 stitch and work into the next one. I'll make a single crochet, and in the next stitch as well I'll make a single crochet. We have made 2 single crochet, and now we are gonna decrease. To decrease, I'll just insert into 2 stitches at once and make a single crochet. Then the pattern says we need to make 2 more single crochet. Make 1 more single crochet in the next stitch and 1 more in the next. We should repeat that 2 more times. Now again we'll be making 1 single crochet into the next stitch, 1 more single crochet. Now we are gonna decrease and 2 single crochets. 1 single crochet in the next stitch and 1 more single crochet in the next stitch. We should repeat that once and our pattern will be done. I'm counting to see how many stitches I have since I have completed the pattern. We should have 15 stitches in total. Yeah, I do have 15 stitches. That's for the pattern 2. Here is a quiz for you. For this pattern, on row 2, comment how many total stitches you will be having. It is single crochet decrease, single crochet into 6 times, and single crochet decrease again. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up.